Good morning, eighth grade. I'd like to go over your assignment for today. This assignment is one that you will see a lot through this year. When we're in the classroom, you actually get to move from station to station, but for now we have to do it on our Chromebooks. You're gonna put your email and what class you're in. You're gonna click on this link for Watch It, and you'll go to that link. And there's a link for a video. You can test yourself. It talks about the vocabulary. You can click on those. There's some other games here you can play, so that this is where you're going to get your information for these questions. What is an atom? You're going to answer it. You're going to answer these questions. Then you're going to go to the Research It website, and you'll click here, and it pulls this up, and you're going to build an atom. And you go back here, and it gives you the directions. Build an atom using 4 protons, 5 neutrons, and 4 electrons. So you're going to start pulling your protons into your nucleus, your neutrons into your nucleus, and then you're going to do 4 electrons. So let's see what happens. So we're going to put 1 electron, 2 electrons. We cannot put more than 2 electrons on this first shell. The first shell only holds 2 electrons. That's very important because you're going to need that as you move along. So you're going to build the atom as it tells you, and then it will tell you what element it is, and you will put that answer here. And then you're going to answer number 1. You're going to then follow direction for number 2 and answer number 3. So 1 and 3, you can answer here. Then it has more directions, what to do, and you'll answer your questions here. Then you're going to go to Explore It. You're going to need to draw this on your own paper. You really only need to draw these circles, and that's called a Bohr model. That's what we call it. It's a Bohr model, B-O-H-R, of an atom. So you're going to use the atom model to build an atom that has 3 protons in the middle, 4 neutrons in the middle, and 3 electrons. Now, when you're doing this, remember we just learned that the first shell of electrons can only hold 2 electrons. So do not put more than 2 electrons on the first shell. And it tells you what you've built. It talks about charges and things like that. This is all information you need. You're going to take a picture and you're going to add it here. And then you're going to answer this question. Then you're going to talk about what atom you made, what's the mass, how many electrons are in each level. Then I gave you the periodic table here. So if you look at this periodic table, if you click on, so you can click on your atoms to see, I'm sorry, your elements to see what they are, okay? So you can see that there. All right, then you're going to answer these questions. Then the link for Read It is going to just open a Google Doc. You're going to answer these questions from Read It. Then finally, you're going to illustrate it. You're going to draw and label the oxygen atom. So you're going to need to go back into the periodic table to see what you need to put here. And you need to label every part here. All of these must be labeled, and you will add that file. Then you're writing it. You're going to explain the difference. You're going to answer that question. You're going to answer this question. And then you're going to answer these questions. At the bottom, you're going to click the correct boxes. There may be more than one for each of these terms. And make sure you click Submit. You will have today and tomorrow to work on this. If you have any questions, please make sure you email me, and have an awesome day.